Ever stop to ponder why shedding those extra pounds seems like a Herculean task? Let's dive into the perplexing world of weight loss, a journey that often feels like navigating through a labyrinth with no exit in sight. We've all heard it before. Eat less, move more, right? But it's not as simple as a catchy phrase. Weight loss is a complex process wrapped in layers of biological, psychological, and even social intricacies. Here's a common misbelief. Weight loss is all about willpower. Well, let's debunk that right now. While willpower plays a role, it's not the sole hero in this saga. Another misconception, it's all about eating less. Picture this. You're not a car, and calories aren't just fuel. Your body is a finely tuned system, where food is a source of vital nutrients, not just energy. So, we start to see the picture unfold. As it turns out, there's a lot more to weight loss than just cutting calories and hitting the gym. To understand the real challenge of weight loss, we must first delve into the science behind it. Imagine your metabolism as a furnace. Every time you eat, you're throwing fuel on that fire. The quicker your metabolism, the faster that fuel burns. This is why some people can eat a mountain of food and not gain an ounce, while others seem to just glance at a donut and pack on the pounds. It's all about how efficiently your body burns fuel, or in other words, your metabolic rate. Now, let's talk about genetics. They're like the rule book your body follows, and they can have a significant influence on your weight. Some people are genetically predisposed to have a faster metabolism. Others might be more inclined to store fat. It's akin to being dealt a hand in a card game. You might not like the cards you've been dealt, but you can still strategize and make the best of it. Then there's the role of hormones. Leptin and ghrelin are two hormones that play a crucial role in regulating your appetite. Leptin is like the stop eating signal, and ghrelin is the keep eating signal. When these hormones are out of balance, it can make weight loss more challenging. And let's not forget about the brain. The hypothalamus, a small region in the brain, is like the control center for your body's weight. It regulates how much you eat and how much energy you burn. But sometimes, this control center can get a bit stubborn and resist weight loss efforts. Recent research has shown that when you lose weight, your brain might interpret this as a threat and trigger mechanisms to regain the lost weight. It's kind of like your brain's way of saying, hey, I'm not sure when we'll get food next, so let's store this energy just in case. So as you can see, there are numerous physiological factors at play when it comes to losing weight. Ever wondered why most diets seem to fail in the long run? Well, it's not always because of a lack of willpower or discipline. It's actually a lot more scientific than that. When we diet, our metabolism often slows down. You see, the body is a smart machine. It senses that we're consuming fewer calories and it switches to conservation mode. It starts burning fewer calories to conserve energy, making it harder to lose weight. But that's not all. Dieting can also lead to intense food cravings. When you're constantly denying yourself the foods you love, your body's survival instincts kick in. It starts to send out powerful signals for high-calorie foods because it thinks we're in danger of starving. This can lead to overeating, making it even more difficult to shed those extra pounds. So the next time your diet fails, remember, it's not necessarily a lack of discipline, but your body's natural response to deprivation. So it's clear that losing weight is more complicated than it seems. There's no denying it. Our bodies are complex systems. The role of metabolism, genetics, hormones, and even our brain play a significant part in weight loss. Our metabolism, ever efficient, can sometimes work against us, conserving energy and making weight loss harder. Our genes too can predispose us to certain body types and weight. Hormones too play their part. From regulating hunger to affecting how our body stores fat, they're vital players in the weight loss game. And let's not forget our brain. It's often our own thoughts and feelings that can hinder our progress. And then there's the question of diets. They often fail because they're simply not sustainable. They may promise quick results, but in the long run, they're often more harm than good. While losing weight can be a challenge, understanding these factors can help us approach it with more knowledge and compassion for ourselves. Stay tuned for more curiosities.